wanted to share a video of my little needle felted parrotlet. This guy is pretty much life size. His feet and beak are sculpted out of cos clay and are a little flexible and extremely durable. This is one of my smaller parrots I've made, and I will be making more of them in different color mutations as well. And really quick before I end the video, I'll show you a little work in progress that I've been working on. My green cheek conure. And he is life size as well. All of these feathers are handmade out of wool by me. And these feet are also sculpted out of cos clay. And the conure's beak will be cos clay as well. You can see progress pictures, and I may be making some more videos of my little felted parrots on my Facebook page called Katie's Critters, and I will have a link for that in the description of this video. Thanks for watching.